Ever hit the gas and feel your engine stumble or hesitate for a split second? It's a nerve-wracking feeling, especially when you need power fast. The good news: most hesitation issues come from simple, fixable problems. In this video, we'll show you how to track down the most common causes, from clogged filters to bad sensors, and the steps you can take to get your engine pulling smooth and strong again. Number 1. Check for error codes with a scan tool. When facing an acceleration hesitation, a smart first step is to see if your car's computer has stored any clues. Modern vehicles will often log diagnostic trouble codes if something is amiss. Using an OBD2 scan tool, check for any engine codes. A code can point you in the right direction. For example, a misfire code or a sensor performance code could directly relate to the hesitation. Note any codes you find and research their meaning. They can save you time by pointing directly to the problem area. No codes? That's okay. Not all forms of hesitation will trigger a code. In that case, you'll move on to inspecting the common physical causes next. Number 2. Inspect the air filter and intake. An engine needs plenty of clean air to accelerate without hesitation. A very common cause of stumbling on acceleration is a dirty or clogged air filter. Locate your car's air filter. Open it up and take a look at the filter element. If it's covered in dirt, dust, or debris, airflow to the engine is being choked off when you demand power. The fix is easy. Replace that filter with a new one. Air filters are inexpensive and should be replaced periodically. While you're at it, ensure the intake tube from the airbox to the engine is intact. No cracks or loose connections that could leak unmetered air. Once your engine can breathe properly again, you may find that the hesitation goes away completely. Number 3. Check and replace worn spark plugs. Faulty or worn spark plugs can absolutely cause engine hesitation, especially during acceleration when the engine is under higher load. The spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in each cylinder, and if that spark is weak or inconsistent, you'll feel a miss or stumble when you try to accelerate. Inspect your spark plugs by removing them. Look for heavy carbon deposits, oil fouling, or burnt electrodes. If the plugs haven't been changed in a long time, replacing them is a good idea. Spark plugs are relatively cheap and should typically be replaced according to your manufacturer's interval. Install the correct type of new plugs and ensure they're gapped properly. Also consider the ignition system. If you have spark plug wires, make sure they're not cracked or brittle. If you have coil packs on each plug, a failing coil can cause hesitation too. Replacing old plugs will ensure a strong spark under acceleration and often cure that hesitation. Number 4. Ensure proper fuel delivery. Hesitation can often be traced to fuel delivery issues. The engine isn't getting the fuel it needs quickly enough when you punch the gas. First, a clogged fuel filter or a weak fuel pump can restrict fuel flow under acceleration. If the fuel filter hasn't been changed in a while, replace it so fuel flows freely. If you suspect the fuel pump, perform a fuel pressure test to see if it's maintaining the proper pressure when you demand power. A failing pump might drop pressure and cause a stumble. Additionally, consider the fuel injectors. If they're dirty or partially clogged, the engine may momentarily lean out when you hit the throttle. You can try adding a quality fuel injector cleaner to your gas tank. And driving through a tank or two, this can clear up mild deposits. For more stubborn injector clogs, you might need professional cleaning or to replace affected injectors. The idea is to make sure that when you ask for fuel, the fuel system can deliver. Once any fuel flow issues are fixed, the engine should accelerate more smoothly without hiccups. Number 5. Test the throttle position sensor. The TPS is a device that tells the engine computer how far you've pressed the gas pedal. If this sensor is faulty or has dead spots in its reading, the computer might not realize you've floored the pedal, and it won't add fuel or adjust timing quickly enough, causing hesitation. Symptoms of a bad TPS include jerky acceleration, a delay in engine response to pedal input, or even surges. To diagnose, you can use a multimeter to ensure the TPS signal changes smoothly as you press the gas. Any jumps or dropouts mean the TPS is bad. Fortunately, replacing a faulty TPS is usually straightforward and not very expensive. After a new TPS is installed, the engine should respond to throttle input without lag, eliminating hesitation caused by incorrect throttle position readings. Number 6, clean or replace the MAF sensor. A dirty or malfunctioning mass airflow sensor can lead to engine hesitation by misreporting the amount of air entering the engine. The MAF sensor is usually located in the intake tube, right after the air filter. If it gets contaminated, it might underread airflow, causing the engine to run lean during acceleration, resulting in a stumble or hesitation. Cleaning the MAF is an easy fix. You'll need a can of MAF sensor cleaner. Remove the sensor and spray the thin wires or sensing elements inside with the cleaner to remove any grime. Let it air dry completely and reinstall it. If the MAF sensor actually failed, replacement is the solution. After cleaning or replacing a bad MAF sensor, the computer will get accurate air intake readings and should fuel the engine correctly, restoring smooth acceleration. Number 7, hunt for vacuum leaks. An engine that's getting extra air it didn't account for can hesitate, especially when transitioning from idle to open throttle. Vacuum leaks are leaks in the intake system after the MAF sensor upset the air-fuel mixture by introducing unmetered air, often causing a lean condition and stumbling. Common culprits include cracked or disconnected vacuum hoses, a leaking intake manifold gasket, or even a stuck open PCV valve. With the engine idling, listen for a hissing sound around the engine that can point to a vacuum leak. You can also carefully spray a small amount of carb cleaner around suspect areas while the engine idles. If the RPM briefly changes, you've found a leak. Fixing vacuum leaks might involve replacing brittle hoses, tightening loose clamps, or installing new gaskets. Once all leaks are sealed, the engine will get the proper mix of air and fuel, and acceleration hesitation due to leaning out will disappear.